Morning guys, it's Rose from Rewritten Vintage Journals, and I'm so excited to share with you one of my newest ones that I'm working on, and I absolutely just love the colors. So this is hand-dyed seam binding, and I had already had it dyed, and when I made this cover I'm like, that's it. They're one signature journal. This is a smaller one. This is 5 by 8.5. One signature. The amount of pages I'll count. I haven't counted them yet. Okay, so I found these cute they're like pins, metal pins, and I just love them. And so I made this on sari silk. And then in the front pocket we just have some writing spots, and then some recipe cards, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. This is one of my eco-dyed papers, and here's a bookmark, and I just love how that turned out. This is the remnants of sari silk. If you rip it apart or clean it up, I always keep it. 1800 paper. Peony Fields, July 1919. These are replicas. This is my paper that I dyed. Eco printing here. And I love this. That beautiful name, and this picture is someone put Just Grace on there, and I thought that was fitting. The same with this Sunset Days. Beautiful. And then I just recently bought the stamp, the postcard stamp, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Dictionary paper, and I dyed it with something. I think it's avocado dyed, and it has coral here, and that there. I picked that page because of the colors. There's a little pocket in there. The avocado dyed, and then I put the stencil, or not the stencil, something over it to make that. And that's the middle. I left the strings long so someone can put something dangling off them if they wish. I just love how it turned out. The colors are gorgeous. And here's one of my homemade bags. You can put extra paper in there, sari silk, an old vintage hanky. And then this flips it like this. There's extra writing notepad there. A little, this says Ferguson, and replica picture there. And then this here is a cute little tuck. This says Shine. So we have a real vintage photo there. And I love the ladies. And then a cute little mini notebook, and then flip this up, and then there's a secret journaling spots there. And this here says Over the Way Music, and I picked that photo because that's what they look like they're looking over the way. Little glassine bag, and there's a piece of sea glass that I found, and it's all about the colors. Beautiful for fall. And then this one here is How You Will Love Him. And this is a replica photo. And here's an extra writing spot there. And this is out of my garden that I dyed. A little cluster here, or not dyed, laminated, I should say. And then this here's a little pocket in there. And there's a pocket back there, some stuff in it. And I might put something there, I'm not sure, but that's it. And I absolutely love it. Beads here, perfect size. And I will be listing that in my Etsy shop today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.